watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is super exciting because I'll be showing you guys few tops from Flipkart. Now the range is from 300, 500 to 700 approximately, not more than that, because the festive season is coming down and I wanted to share it with you guys if you guys are looking for something not so overpriced and still good. So definitely don't skip this video, do keep on watching it, and without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So the first top which I'll be showing you guys is, I think that I've seen loads and the color is so vibrant. Like even if you wear it like without any accessories, just let your hair down with this particular top and you're good to go. The pictures will turn out amazing, trust me guys. So this is the top. So all these tops came in a separate packet like this, and let me just show it to you guys. Now this is the top. So it's completely polyester, there's nothing cotton in it, so I would advise you guys to wear it during the winters, like mostly during the winters. Don't try to wear it during the summers, because since it's the synthetic material and polyester, and so you'll be sweating profusely during the summers. Your skin won't be able to breathe with this material. It's obviously good and it's obviously advisable to wear it during the winters. So this is, now there are two brands. I will mention everything in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. Now the brand which I have got from is Darzi and it is in the size S. I will mention everything, and I guess I have seen this particular same item of the brand called Harpa, and I'll try to mention each and every brand in the description box down below, so it will be easier for you guys. And so this is how the top looks like. It completely has got the flower prints in it from the sleeves, and the sleeves are 3/4 sleeves, something like this. So it's obviously advisable, like if you're wearing this and you have a jeans jacket on top, you are just sorted for your winters. Now in India, in Kolkata, the winters are not too chilly, so there's nothing like you have to layer like 3 to 4 items. So I think a top and a jacket is like the versatile outfit you can pull off during the winters. So definitely if you're looking for something, and also I'll mention all the prices which I've paid in somewhere on the screen and as well as in the description box down below. So don't worry guys, because currently I don't remember. And the print of the flower is very beautiful. It's not that it's flimsical, it's almost like, you know, the splash painting which we do. It's not key every detail on this top is perfect, like all the flowers are not the same. So I really love the print. It's front and back, it's full of prints, and I really loved it. Is something which I'm wearing right now. Now this particular top is 100% cotton. It's breathable material. You can wear it during the summers and you can wear it during the winters as well. Just top it out with a jacket or a coat or a blazer or anything and you're good to go. So this particular top has got stars printed on all over it, and it has got small cap but frilled sleeves which you guys can see, and it has got a tie string over here. And I just love the material. It's very breathable. Like I really loved it. It's not that key. It's from Flipkart and it's like a much more cheaper than 500 or 800 rupees or 1000 rupees, and it's really good. It's not key ये उतना महंगा नहीं है पर ये अच्छा भी नहीं होगा. So बहुत सारे लोगों में ये concept रहता है. So I just wanted to break that stereotype thinking. So it's really good. You can definitely opt for it. And so yeah. So the next top which I'm going to show to you guys is one of my favorite tops. The color, the like whole look of it is really beautiful. I really love this top. So this one is the top which I was talking about. So this is the top. Now this one is again, like there are two different brands which I have seen. So this one is from the brand called Nizago, which is made in India. I'll just show it to you guys. But the same product, the same thing is available from the brand called Poison Ivy. And okay, so this one is in the size S. And this is how the top looks like. If you guys can see closely, it has got pearls like attached to the front side only of the top. And coming to the sleeves are bell sleeves and you get something to tie, and it's beautiful. The overall look of this whole top is really beautiful. Like if you're going to attend a party and you just have to wear a pencil skirt down below and you're good to go. The material is polyester again. It's more of a chiffon kind of a material. It's like, you know, you can hear the noise which it's making. So this is again advisable to wear during the winters. Now even in the summers you can wear it, but like till January to February, like not more than that. So this whole look, and this most speciality part is the bell sleeves. It just adds a different element to the top altogether. So it does not have any pearls in the backside. The backside is plain, and this one is in the color blush pink if I'm not wrong. Now this particular top is available in different colors, like from maroon to black to yellow to pink and whatsoever. You can choose from the variety of colors available. So this is again one of my favorite tops from this entire range. And in the back, as you guys can see, it has got a button like thing to open, but I have never opened it because it's like too tight and I have just never tried to open it. So this is how it looks like. Now you can go for your different sizes. I have ordered in the size S, and I'll mention all the prices on the screen, and I'll try to mention all the links in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. And also don't forget to comment down below as to which one is your favorite top. Another next top. Now I wanted something in a white kurta, like short kurta kind of, which you can wear. Like I wore this like different events in my college where we were supposed to wear western, like Indo-western kind of thing. Now this again came in a separate packet like this, so kudos to the packaging. And so this is how the top looks like. It has got like, it is 100% cotton. Now this particular thing is so soft, I have to admit to you guys. Now you can wear this top during the summers, during the monsoon, during the winters, like any season is good for it. So this is how the top looks like. Now it has got buttons, like 3 buttons till here, and it has got like goldenish kind of a button. Now this is again from the brand called Harpa, and this is in the size S. Now this particular top has got small detailing. Now I'll just zoom in so that you guys can see. It has got small like the ones which we have for the polka dots, but it does not have print. It's almost like the thread work of small dots all over it, like it's even on the back. And for the sleeves, it's again 3/4 sleeves. The sleeves are this, something like this. Now you can tie this up also, and you can make it shorter also. So inside there is a flap inside which you can make it again a shorter one. So it's very versatile top. You can pull this top with like any boho outfit, or like you're pulling this top and adding in a like a jeans ka jacket on top and like big chunky boho earrings. And I think that this whole vibe, the Indo-Western vibe, will just like everybody will be asking you guys कि कहाँ से ये top लिया. And the material is very soft, like so soft. It's breathable, it's good, and I don't think कि हारपा एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो बहुत सारे versatile tops निकालता है, but I think that like it goes away or it just like gets lost in the crowd because there are like so many brands available. And I think that this is one of the versatile brands also which brings in such beautiful pieces. It's again one of my favorite after the pink one, of course. Last but not the least, so this is again a top which I think it's available in the color blue as well. So if you guys want to check out the blue color, I'll mention it in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. So this is how the top looks like. Now this again is of polyester kind of a material, like it's not cotton at all. So I'll just come from the bottom. So at the bottom it has got something elastic thing. So if you guys want, you can make it in a crop top as well. So this is again a very plus point of this top. If you guys want, you can make it a crop top again. And it has got prints all over it, like all over print, like even in the back, like all over. And it has got elastic from the middle side, like from the bottom side. You're supposed to wear it in like an off-shoulder top. Now I think I wore this top in my Miniso brush set review, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll mention somewhere on the screen. And it has got 2 strings of this sort, and the sleeves are again 3/4. Now in the sleeves also there is a bit of elastic present. Now the sleeves are something like more of a cap sleeves kind of, so I'll just, if you guys watch that video, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So this top is again a very beautiful print. It's a very bright color top and it's very good. Now this is from the brand called Rare and the size is M. So I'll mention the price somewhere on the screen because clearly I don't remember any of the prices. And one thing about this top is it's very versatile. Now again, a jacket, a coat, and like even if you're wearing an off-shoulder top, even if you want, you can just put off the strings inside and it just becomes a completely off-shoulder top. So there are like so many different ways of how you can style this one particular top in like so many different ways. So I think that Rare is also another brand which is like very good, and people I think that it gets lost with the other brands available online. So I think that if you guys are interested, you can definitely go ahead and check this color out, and I think it's also available in the color blue. So yeah. Guys, I do really hope that all of you guys had enjoyed it thoroughly, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications, so then you will get notified whenever I upload my next videos. And also comment down below as to which was your favorite top, the ones which I showed. And don't forget to share like any video requests or any feedback which you want to give. I'm always open to like getting to know what you guys are thinking, open to feedback. So please don't forget to comment down below. I'll be eagerly waiting for you guys' comments. Until then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.